garlic shrimp. I just put in about 2 tablespoons of butter, put about a tablespoon and a half of olive oil, and I'm just making it hot. Next, I'm going to just put a tablespoon of garlic. Let's finish cooking this up. I'm going to put this on a high heat so we could get that sauce evaporated. And I'll see you in a minute. Here you go. We got us some nice garlic shrimp here. Just plate that up with some rice or some noodles or some Asian vegetables and it'll be good.